Hey folks, Saidi Johnson, MarineMax Sail and Ski, Austin, Texas. Today we're going to look at the Aviara AV32, the Aviara 32-foot long boat. With MarineMax, you have lots of resources, and with me, I've been here 22 years, so I'd love to get a chance to meet some of you and have an appointment. Today we're going to look at the Aviara 32. This boat is awesome. It's got lots of lounge space. The reason this boat was designed is for an all-day boat experience with lots of entertaining features. So some of the things you can see is that you got these lounge seats that pop up and can lay down, and a bar stool type effect here where you can have seats raised up at different levels here. It can act as a bar stool while someone sits here and someone sits there. So all kinds of versatility in this boat. Beautiful light color. You've got little bar, hard top, speakers, courtesy lighting underneath, lots of storage space. Can you imagine being on the water with your crew and having a boat like this and hanging out and having a good time? That would be awesome. Lots of space, plenty of seats. You can bring almost all your friends with you if you want to, because it's certified for that. Nice helm seats, large, joystick piloting. If you get in a pinch, you can just walk the boat sideways. Smooth throttling, beautiful dashboard. This is the boat instrumental panel, and this right here is a Simrad that gives you a lot of your gauges and depth and things like that. If you go to the front, oh, can't forget about the head compartment. And plenty of space in there. And as you come into the bow, you'll be able to see that. You'll be able to see how much space is up in the bow. So this is a 32-foot long day boat, plenty of space, great entertainment value. This boat is online. We just unwrapped it. So if you'd like to set an appointment, again, I'm Saidi Johnson, 512-585-5063.